Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to today's video. So you must have recently seen many newspaper clippings stating India is set to establish a foreign IIT in UAE. And yesterday also I asked your views on the community post. Many of you had different views, but some things were common. So I want to illustrate all those particular thoughts into one particular video, including my personal opinion and a solution for the problem which you all stated in that particular community post. First of all, before starting the video, I want to say that I don't have any motive to hurt your feelings, your sentiments. So, and please watch the video till the very end. बीच में वीडियो देख के डिसलाइक मत कर देना कि आपने ये पॉइंट बोला. आगे मैं सारे पॉइंट्स अच्छे से इलस्ट्रेट करूंगा. और I always wanted to speak on this particular matter and I thought that this is the right video to speak to it. I would appeal the government also to see this video. वैसे मुझे पता है वहां तक पहुंचेगी नहीं, but still मैं बोलता नहीं हूँ कि मेरी वीडियो शेयर करो, but I think you should share this particular video because this is a very serious matter. Okay, so let's begin. First of all, do you really think that establishing IITs in countries like UAE will decrease the quality of IIT? I don't think it will decrease the quality of IIT, but you are supporting their education system instead of supporting our education system. Why? See, what I suggest is that it's better to open more IITs in India. Why? Because the deserved candidates don't get a chance in their desired branch or in their desired IITs because of reservation. Now this is a very serious issue. बहुत ज़्यादा बड़ी वीडियो हो जाएगी अगर लिटरली मैं इस पे बोलना स्टार्ट कर दूंगा, बट कुछ बेसिक पॉइंट्स है जो मैं बताना चाहूंगा रिजर्वेशन के लिए. पहला तो यार ये कि एक 89 मार्क्स वाला 125 मार्क्स जनरल स्टूडेंट के बराबर होता है. व्हाई इज इट सो? मतलब इतना ज्यादा रिजर्वेशन क्योंकि यार किसी के 100 मार्क्स भी आ रहे हैं तो भी वो क्वालिफाइड नहीं है. बट इफ अ रिजर्व कैटेगरी स्टूडेंट इज स्कोरिंग 70-60 मार्क्स देन ही इज क्वालिफाइड. ऐसे से रिजर्व कैटेगरी स्टूडेंट्स होते हैं जो जस्ट गो एंड डू 7 to 8 प्रॉब्लम्स एंड दे गेट एन आईआईटी एंड विद अ वेरी गुड ब्रांच, राइट? मैं यहाँ ये नहीं कह रहा हूँ कि रिजर्वेशन बेकार है, बट इंस्टेड यू शुड हैव अ प्रॉपर वेरिफिकेशन सिस्टम, not that documentation work. We all know that documentation work is fake in many areas, and in fact the reserved category students are not poor now. I mean, there are definitely some percentage of people who are very poor and they deserve reservation, but there are some people who are very rich. I have literally seen many people of reserved category that are really very rich just because their ancestors were poor. They belong to that particular category, but they worked hard and now they are very rich. So do you really think that we should provide them reservation? I mean, everyone is getting equal opportunity in terms of coaching, in terms of books, in terms of education. Then why they should be provided the reservation? You should have a proper verification system कि हाँ यार इस पर्टिकुलर के हम घर जाते हैं, वेरीफाई करते हैं, काफी सारे डॉक्यूमेंट्स चेक करेंगे. सिर्फ आप फेक पेपर वर्क से कोई भी ईडब्ल्यूएस या कोई भी कैटेगरी बना के शो कर देता है आज की डेट में. सो यू शुड हैव अ प्रॉपर वेरिफिकेशन सिस्टम कि हाँ इसको वेरीफाई कर लिया, दिस स्टूडेंट डिजर्व रिजर्वेशन. ठीक है, तो या तो इंस्टेड यू शुड ओपन मोर आईआईटीज इन इंडिया, राइट? और you should decrease the reservation system. Opening an IIT in UAE and compromising your education system, it really doesn't make sense. I mean, for me, it's not like there might be different views on this particular topic, but I think that, okay, though the quality of IITs is accepted worldwide, I mean, they are renowned worldwide as Indian Institute of Technology, and they are very premium institutes if foreign students view our country, but still you have to focus first on your own education system and then move to foreign education system. Okay, so I hope you guys have learned something from this particular video. Not learning, basically I wanted to illustrate your points only on this matter. I have literally seen many people commenting in yesterday's community post कि भैया मेरी 8000 रैंक है, राइट? एक आईआईटी में सिविल इंजीनियरिंग का स्टूडेंट है, और मेरे साथ ही एक 22,000 रैंक वाला जनरल नहीं रिजर्व कैटेगरी का स्टूडेंट है, एंड ही सिटिंग विथ मी इन द सेम आईआईटी इन द सेम ब्रांच. सो इज दैट लिटरली, आई मीन, इट इज गेटिंग वर्स बाय वर्स, डे बाय डे इट इज गेटिंग डेली वर्स, राइट? अभी तो इस साल देयर वाज अ हाइक आल्सो इन रिजर्वेशन. I mean 15% रिजर्वेशन बढ़ाया गया था. किसके लिए बढ़ाया गया था? Everyone knows. I don't want to take any category student name or any other name. I hope you have understood what I wanted to say. बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट, बहुत सीरियस टॉपिक है, काफी लोग ऑलरेडी बोल चुके हैं इस पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक पे, बट ये जो एक स्टेप उठाया है ना गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया ने, आई लिटरली डोंट एडमायर दिस पर्टिकुलर स्टेप, राइट। और जिनको नहीं पता है उनके लिए बता दूं, मैं स्टार्टिंग बताना भूल गया बट अभी बता देता हूं कि ड्यू टू दैट CEPA अग्रीमेंट, इंडिया एंड यूएई हैव डिसाइडेड टू exchange some technologies, and apart from it improve educational system, green energy resources and many other things, but we are currently focusing on this education system. So that's it. Do share the video, yeah. Thank you.